Altair provides a free educational version of many of their software packages for students, academicians, and for all those who wants to learn how to use meshing and analysis software. In this video, I will explain how to download and install free Altair Student Edition HyperWorks for academic purpose. So let us begin. In the search tab, just type HyperWorks Student Edition and then open the first link. There are many options like limitations of the software, how to learn, what are the different products available and so on. But for now time being, just click on download now, and then you need to fill all this detail right from the name and so on. All the tabs with a marked asterisk needs to be compulsorily filled. Type in your college details or your any company name or whatever. Type your department, select the country. By the way, Hypermesh, this Altair has banned few of their products in few. Then choose your occupation, type in your email ID. If your email ID is with respect to your organization domain, your email will be verified very soon by Altair team, so better to put that. And then choose from where you heard about this free software, educational version software. You need to also enter the Ethernet host ID. For this, you need to just download their software, and then it will automatically detect your host ID. Just copy it and paste it over there. And then finally, you need not enter any note. Say continue. Once you press continue, it will open this tab. You need to just agree to their terms and conditions before proceeding, and then say submit. Once this is done, you will get this checkbox, and then it will say your email has been you have been successfully signed up. And then go back to your email ID, email box, open the email which you must have received, and you need to now validate your email ID. So just click on this link and it will validate your email ID. And then you need to again go back to your email inbox, and then you will receive one more email, in fact two more emails. Then click that second email, Altair Student Edition license file email, and then here you will have many links which they will provide to download different software. For time being, we will click on the HyperWorks software, because this tutorial is basically about how to download HyperWorks software. And then also download the license file which you will get along with this email. Now once this download is complete, you need to open this, and then better to transfer it to a safe location, especially somewhere near D drive, wherein the license file will not be shifted. Now once this is done, what you can see in your email that you need to create the environment variable. In order to do this, go to the settings, and then you can either follow all those steps which is mentioned in the email, or just copy this final advanced system setting and paste it in the search tab, so that you can directly get that box open and then once you paste it, you can easily open this. Go to environment variable, and now you need to create the environment variable. So click on new, and then variable name should be as it is given in the email. So better copy it from the email, that is Altair license path, copy it from this email, and then paste it. And then finally you need to locate the license file. So you can directly go here and locate the license file, and then say OK. Same thing you need to do in the system variable also. So again click on new, paste the variable name, and then again give the directory, direct the directory to the license file wherever you have saved your license file, and then say OK. So this will create the environment variable for Altair HyperWorks, and then say OK. So we are done with this. Now the next step is just to install the entire software. Just right click on this and then say run as administrator. So once this is done, it will start extracting the package. Once the package has been extracted, you need to say OK for the English language, and then it will start installing the software. Say next for this. You need to agree again their terms and condition. You can go through it once before agreeing to their terms and condition, and then say next. Again next. And then here you can choose the directory where you want to install. I have left it to the default path. This you can just leave it as it is. But it is asking you basically if you want to create any shortcut on desktop and all. Just leave this to the default values, unless and until you want some specific options. Just leave it to the default values. And then this is asking for the license file. We have already created the environment for the license file, so just leave it to the default and click on next, and then say install. So this will start installing the software. Once the 100% installation is done, it might take some time depending on your computer, but once the 100% installation is done, what you need to do is you need to click again done. So this completes our installation procedure. Go to the search, type HyperWorks, and then it will show you HyperWorks 2020 option, because this is a HyperWorks 2020 option which we have downloaded, and then just click on that, and it will open a window. It will open the HyperWorks software. Now initially when you will open it from HyperWorks 2020, it will show you HyperWorks X, which is a new user interface which they have included in 2020 edition. I will soon start making some tutorials on this, on the new user interface. But if you want our classical user interface, which you have been already working on, if you have been already working on the classical user interface of HyperMesh or HyperWorks, what you need to do is you need to type again HyperWorks and then select HyperWorks Desktop 2020. Once you click on this HyperWorks Desktop 2020, you will get this classical user interface. You get 3 options for the solver: Radius, OptiStruct, and the third one we will select OptiStruct. If you want this user if you want this user profile, again you can click on this icon and select the user profile. So that's it. This is the tutorial on how to download and install the new HyperWorks 2020 Student Edition. Thank you.